Namaste, everybody. Welcome to Sattva Restore Restorative Yoga Therapy. Today we're going to be using a large bolster or cushion and a couple blocks, and we're going to be moving into a supported child's pose. So you want to be extra cautious if you have any knee replacement or knee issues going on, because we are going to start with the knees. So I don't have a blanket here today, but a blanket's also useful for adding a little bit more cushion as you come into a tabletop position. All right, so let's begin. Let's come over into a tabletop position to start and warm up the joints a little bit to receive the restorative posture. So we'll come into all fours and stretch out through the wrists by turning the left hand toward the right and stretching that thumb down so the palm is turning up toward the ceiling. And then slowly open or close the hands. Nice and slow, bringing the fingers and thumb toward the center of the palm and then releasing it down, trying to stretch that thumb all the way to the floor. And then we'll ground the left wrist and turn the right hand toward the left, stretching out through the thumb. If it's too much pressure, you can always just shift back a little bit. Just watch your knees. And then we'll open and close the hand here. Good, one more breath. And then we'll ground through the right hand as well. And now bringing your knees just a little bit closer toward the middle of your body. Let's tuck the left toes under and then press out through the heel. So you're feeling a little bit of flexion maybe through the ankle, maybe some calf sensation. And then orbit around that ankle around the toes, really circling around in both directions. And then we'll go to the other side, bringing the left knee to the right and stretch the other leg back. And circle around through the foot. Maybe press back through the heel. And then lowering that knee down as well. And then make a little more distance between your wrists and your knees. And start to shift forward on the inhale, pressing through the palms, keeping the shoulders away from the ears. As you exhale, move the hips back and keep your hands glued where they are. Pressing down through the floor to roll the chest forward on your inhale. And then exhale, pressing with the palms, reaching with your hips. Just like you could drape over a large stone with the body. Inhaling forward. And exhaling back. Good, and this is the shape that we're going to make in our supported posture today. So we'll take the blocks and place them underneath. You could always have two cushions as well. And then place the cushion on top. We're going to widen through our knees and then come up and over. So if you have knee issues, you can also put a blanket and fold it up in between that knee joint to create a little more joint space, or something underneath the hips to ground into if they're lifted way up high. And then just turn onto one cheek and let your arms relax down toward the floor. The palms could be up or down. So notice the difference if it changes anything in your shoulders or your arms, and just the ability to let them relax here. Good, and then once you're into a comfortable position and you feel held by the support of your restorative posture, start to tune into your breath. Breathing in through the nose. You might feel the belly kind of pressing into that support underneath you. And breathing out through the nose or pursed lips. And since your body is held here and you're breathing in to that support underneath you, you might even feel some shape change around the low back. This is the kidney and adrenal gland area. So remember, we always work on that organ level. Notice as you relax, the face and the shoulders, the hips might relax more and more. This posture is wonderful for the health of our low back, as well as calming anxieties. Bring your attention to your hands and let your hands release. And you're staying in position. I'm just coming out so that I can talk to you, and my mic won't be muffled at all. We want to hold this anywhere from 3 minutes to 10 minutes. And the thing to watch out for mainly is the knees in this position. Notice that calming of the mind, the slowing of the heart rate and breath here. And that relaxation through the whole back line of the body. That breath, just letting it soothe you. Sliding in and out of the body. You can visualize golden bricks attached to the hips, just letting them sink down. And then turning your head to the other direction. And this just allows balance in the head, neck, and shoulders. So staying in that supportive posture, just changing the position of the head and neck to keep balance as much as possible in the body. Long, deep breath. See if you can exhale a little bit longer than your inhalation. Or you could even create a little bit of a hum sound. Just like you've tasted something good or just kind of steeped into a warm bath after a long day of physical work or soreness in the body. Tongue behind the teeth. And we don't work a lot with vocal toning in the rest of our life unless you are a sound therapist. But just try it and notice that relaxation response in the body. And you're just humming, breaking up that tension from the inside out like our restorative yoga therapy does. Just enjoy a few more breaths or audible sounds. Notice that relaxation response. Good, and then we're going to come out the same way we came in. So just starting to open your eyes. You can walk your hands in so that your palms press into the floor. And then let the head, neck, and shoulders come up last. You can move your props out of the way and come back to that tabletop position. Slowly tuck the toes, opening through the back of the knees. Getting that blood flow back in. Good. You can alternate or orbit around like we did at the beginning. And then come back into a comfortable seat, whether that's in a chair, on the floor, on your cushion. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Vani from PranaYoga Insitute, and this has been Sattva Restorative Yoga Therapy. Namaste.